So you're thinking about moving to Lincoln, California? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you around town and show you 3 different houses at 3 different price points. That way you can see what fits inside your budget. If you stick around to the end, I'll share with you a little hidden gem of Lincoln that not a lot of people know about. So let's do it. If this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to stay informed about the current market in the Greater Sacramento Area, then please subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications. My name is Carla and I'm with Gold Group Realty, and I would love to have the opportunity to help you find your new home in the Greater Sacramento Area or Lincoln like we're talking about today. So please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. So here we are at our first house. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with 1,473 square feet, built in 2000. It's listing for $549,000, which is about $373 per square foot. This is in the Sun City Lincoln Hills senior community, and it is absolutely beautiful in here with lots of amenities near the Orchard Creek Golf Course and also near a couple of shopping centers with Lowe's and Home Depot and Rayleigh's and a couple of places to eat like a taqueria and a sushi place. Let's go check out that second house. So here we are at our second house. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with 2,108 square feet, built in 2005. It's listing for $659,000, which is about $313 per square foot. It's within walking distance to an elementary school, a junior high, and a high school. And it has walking trails nearby as well. Also conveniently located near shopping and some restaurants. Let's go check out that next house. So here we are at our third and final house of our tour today. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with 2,832 square feet, built in 2020. As you can see, the trees are still little babies in the background, and it's listing for $749,900, which is about $265 per square foot. This house is very close to 12 Bridges High School, John Adams Academy. It's also close to a Safeway, Home Depot, Sprouts, which is a specialty health food store, and Round Table Pizza. So there you have it. 3 different houses at 3 different price points right here in Lincoln, California. So I told you if you stick around to the end, I'd share with you a little hidden gem of Lincoln, California that not a lot of people know about. On May 1st of 1875, Charles Gladding, Peter McGill McBean, and George Chambers invested $12,000 into a clay factory to provide vitrified sewer pipe to the booming California market. Here we are 148 years later in 2023, and this little factory is still going strong. It is providing sewer pipe to California and beyond. This also added many clay products to its line, including roof tile and garden pottery. So there you have it, the hidden gem of Lincoln, California that you may not have heard about before. If you want more information about Lincoln, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. Until then, I'll see you around town.